In this video, I will show you how NextLabs Data Access Enforcer can be used to safeguard sensitive data in AWS RDS for Oracle being accessed from Crystal Reports, Oracle SQL, and Microsoft Excel. While we selected to use these front-end applications, DAE can protect information in Oracle on-premise and AWS RDS for Oracle when being accessed from any front-end application. To ensure only authorized users can view information in these applications, DAE enforces masking and filtering controls to permit users to only see the information categorized with their respective license. If the purchasing cost exceeds $1,000, the field will be masked. As you can see below, Sarah, Tim, and Bree have different licenses. The data that does not pertain to their license will be filtered, so they are only able to view information with a category ID that corresponds to their license. Now, let's move into the demo. I already launched Crystal Reports. I'll connect to RDS for Oracle and will log in as Sarah. Next, I'll select the products table and will add the name, category ID, purchasing cost, and selling price fields. Now I'll preview the data. As you can see, Sarah is only able to see products with category ID A. When the cost exceeds $1,000, the field is masked with the value -$999.99. Let's go ahead and try to access information from the products table as user Tim. I will log in and follow the same steps. I will add the same fields as before, and then we'll preview the data. You will see that Tim can only view products with category ID B, and like Sarah, when the cost exceeds $1,000, the field is masked. Finally, as user Bree, we will access information from the products table. Logging in and following the same steps, I will create the same type of table. Upon preview, you will see that Bree is entitled to see products with category ID A, B, and C. You will also notice that, like Sarah and Tim, when the cost exceeds $1,000, the field is masked. Now that we've seen DAE control access using filtering and masking when sensitive data in AWS RDS for Oracle is being accessed from Crystal Reports, let's try accessing the same information from another front-end application, Oracle SQL. I'll start by connecting to AWS RDS for Oracle and will log in as Sarah. I'll paste the query data. Just like in the previous example, we can see in the query result, Sarah can only view products with the category ID A. Any product that exceeds the cost of $1,000 is masked. As another user, I will check DAE's enforcement on data being accessed from AWS RDS for Oracle using Microsoft Excel. I will start by connecting to the database and will log in as Tim. Once again, I will select to access information from the products table. And as you can see, Tim is only able to see products with the category ID B, and the fields exceeding 1,000 are masked. I can even select Transform Data, where Tim has the ability to modify the information he is entitled to meet any necessary requirements. With this, we conclude our video on safeguarding sensitive data in AWS RDS for Oracle when being accessed from a variety of front-end applications. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to the NextLabs channel, and stay tuned for more data-centric security videos.